Gentlemen, we appreciate your interest and your attendance to our project presentation. We are Carlos Laños, and my colleague's name is Gabriel. Well, the purpose of this presentation is to introduce you a brand new innovative cell phone that will change the smartphone market in a great and exciting way.
Well, we aim to 3 points. The first point is talk about the product, advantage, new features, and all this stuff. The second point is talk about the company, our objectives, and our plans for the future. Finally, we talk about prices and the market research. If you have any questions, we will be happy to answer them at the end of the talk.
Our phone's name is YoPhone. YoPhone is a new innovative smartphone that will change the way we interact with technology and communicate. Well, it has a huge battery life that lasts 1 week with full use, and it lasts almost a month in a standby mode.
Oh, Jesus.
It is approved water and dust, and it can even be used when you are underwater. It has 18 pixels. The camera has 18 pixels and a 3D display. So if you turn on the 3D display, your pictures will look like this. But here, the great innovation with YoPhone is that it can read your mind. For example, if you want to call someone, you don't have to think about the name or the number of the person, and YoPhone will do the rest. This is possible. Well, also, if you want to listen to a song or to open a specific app, you just have to think about it. In order to this to work, you have to set an earphone on your right ear, and in the earphone will send waves to your phone. So this works like the earphone is sending messages to your phone of what you want or what you are thinking, and your phone will do the rest.
Well, thank you, Carlos. Now we're going to talk about the company. Being honestly, enterprises like Samsung, Apple, and Microsoft try to buy our idea, but we don't want to sell it. We want to initiate with our company called Bola Inc. In this company, our main objective is in 5 years or less, try to be competitive with the most important technology enterprise in the world, like the before mentioned Microsoft, Apple, and Samsung. We like to initiate here in Guadalajara because it was in this place that we have the idea of YoPhone. Also, in this place we have the technology to manufacture the first prototype, and with your investment, fabricate series. And it's a good location for the distribution of the product around the country, like you see in the map. Well, now we talk about finance. Well, our proposal is we need investment because we need to sophisticate the process, we need to make more efficient and in less time. Also, for this we need contract engineers, software designers, and a lot of machine operators, employees, administratives, logistics, all these people. For this, we are required invest of your part 50% of our company in preference share. We sell you to $1 million. I mean, if you give us $1 million, we give you 15% of our company. But this is too much money, you will say, but it is not, because a manufacturing cost of each YoPhone, I'm only talking about the materials. The materials and the manufacturing cost, we'll talk about $100, and the sale price will $300. This price because all the phones like the Apple and Samsung phones cost around the same. Well, I come back later. The market research in a recent market research that we did, the 80%, well, first of all, when we asked if they buy a mind control phone, the people asked us, is this a real thing? I mean, when we say that probably it's going to be on the market the next period, 80% say that definitely they buy it. I mean, definitely. 15% say that they consider it, and only 5% say that no, I don't, because of quality and because the enterprise is new and they fear the new things of that. So I come back to this. According to this market research, we expect to sell about, in our first year, 5 million of units. If you take the difference between sales price and manufacturing cost, we talk about $200. If you multiply $200 for 5 million, you have 1,000 million of dollars. If you take 500 million of dollars, we have the another 500 million of dollars. And your investment of 15%, you have around 75 million of dollars of profit for you. So it's your 1 million that you gave us, we repay 1 million, and you have a profit of 74 million dollars. That we are asking too much money, but we gave you too much money.
So summarizing the main points, it's a revolutionary project. As I said, it will change the way we interact and communicate with technology. It is the right investment. The profit will be around $74 million, and it has an accessible price. So we're going to screw Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft to our product. So it's a potential business opportunity.
Well, thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Why are you supplying Apple and Samsung and all that stuff?
Supplying?
Can you say something about that?
No. Apple wanted to buy our product, but we don't want to sell.
Oh,
We don't want to sell our technology to Apple or Samsung. We want to create our own industry.
Okay. Thank you for.
Do you already have a prototype?
Yes. Yes, we already have a prototype, and the thing we need is to create more. We have
It already works?
Yeah, we have already workers, and the company Mola is going, but we need a strong investment.
They have already made a prototype that we are here, and we make a few units, but to produce them in series, we need your investment, obviously.
You already all know all the cell phones like iPhone or anyone are put like the radiation. They have like radiation, you know? And you are saying that your product is going to like check your mind or something like that. This is not going to affect more the radiation that the product produce.
Oh, in fact, all the electronic devices produce electromagnetic pulse. You sleep with the cell phone right in your ear, aside of the bed. It's the same thing. It's not a risky thing. It will be safe.
Maybe the only question that you say that also all the time is like
You have medical
reading your mind.
I have
You know,
contact
to
with
have like
Apple.
consequences in the future, like mental.
Why it is so cheap?
So cheap.
Because to compete with the other products. I mean, in the United States, these cell phones for Apple, Samsung, and all this stuff costs around the same. And if we put a high price, it's probably that they don't sell well as we can.
But if you put it at the low price, the cost of the production, it won't work. I mean, it's better to sell one product at half price than 1,000 products, and the production will be higher. the cost of
It is also because it's a proving project. It's a novelty cell phone, so we can't introduce a price of $500. And also, let's be honest, to Apple, it only costs to make an iPhone like $50 and then sell it to $300 to $500. So we want to be honest. We want to make this business succeed, and especially the prices because it's a
Also, another thing that is, if you see the market research, a 5% say no because they don't know the company. If you don't know the company, how you will buy a high price product? I mean, the people constantly have fear to the not known. It's for that price that we have a cheap.
Así que participar en
So that makes you think about the quality.
Yeah, but if you don't try it, how do you know?
But if you see the lower price, you don't want to buy a product because it's new and you say that the materials are cheap, so you think the cell phone is going to be the quality.
I know it's
Yeah,
all.
yeah, the people is afraid. The people are afraid about taking the next step of technology. You want to stay with your iPhone, with your broken screen. That's okay for us. But we offer this new project for people that are looking for the future.
Also, this involves all social things and all this, but it's a good question. We don't already know if this. We are according to the fear that the people not know the enterprise is because that we make the phone cheap. The thing that you say it's hard, but we prefer take advantage on the other disadvantage that in that you mentioned. Okay.
Luis,
Please,
The phone has access to my brain, or I control everything?
you control everything. This only take the pulse of your brain.
I can use it whenever I want.
Yes.
Okay, the phone doesn't have access because if there is a connection with the internet, many people can know what I think, and that would be.
No, no.
That's why you said that. Especially if you're right here.
That device controls.
It comes.
Okay.
Thank you, Randy. Thank you very much.